In this video, we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Work with Schema Builder. Let's quickly look into our hands-on challenge. As we are here, let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground, which I've already opened. Okay, so before starting the challenge, let me give you a quick overview on what the challenge is regarding. So as you can remember from our previous exercises in the units of the module data modeling, so we have been creating custom fields for objects such as property. So we have been doing that using the property manager, like let me show you. So we used to go to property manager and then go to fields and relationships and then create a new field from over here. So in this challenge, we'll be doing the same, which is creating a new field. However, instead of jumping into the object manager, we'll be doing that using the schema builder. So you'll see what the schema builder is within a minute. So let's search for schema builder from the quick find. It's under objects and fields. Okay, so once you're inside the schema builder, your schema builder might look like this, or it might have various objects over there. So in order to start fresh, you can click on clear all and then find the object which we are looking for, which in our case is the property object. So let's try to find property and let's select property and let's click over here. Okay, I don't know why it zoomed out. Okay, let's bring that over here. Yeah, we did it. Okay, so what the challenge says is to add a data type called text area. In order to do that, let's jump into elements and find text area and drag and drop. And now it asks us to populate it with the field label. So let's copy and paste it. And make sure we have ticked in the required one and save. Always require a value in this field. Okay, so essentially we have completed the challenge. However, I'll remind you of one thing where many people do select the text or text encrypted instead of text area. So make sure you select the text area instead of any other text, because there are around like 5 text elements. Alright, so I believe it has auto saved. So let's click on close and let's check if you have done everything right in this challenge. This is a fairly easy challenge, but however it took a while for us to complete it. If you do have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer them. Well, see you in the next video. Bye bye.